Hi, I'm Enrique, and I'm going to show you how the AHAU 260 app, along with its integrations, can aggregate Teams and other Microsoft apps in a single environment. To start with, I've opened the AHAU 260 website, where it is possible to connect and check the service provider accounts that you have already connected, and also have access to the integrations that the app supports and the links to download the ones that you'd like to install. Moving now to the focus of this demonstration, I will show you our integration for Microsoft Teams. One of the main functionalities of the AHAU 260 app for Teams is the Compose mode. It consists in an implementation of a search query in the messages box of the app. In the example in the video, you can see that I'm in a Teams text channel and I'd like to link a certain task. By clicking the three dots below the text box, I'm able to access the AHAU 260 app Compose mode feature, and after it opens, I can search for the name of the task I'd like to select and send it afterwards. After this, I can click the View button to open this task in a Browsers tab of the service provider it's linked to. By clicking the Comment button, I can send a message or a comment to this task, and it will be presented in its project management service provider. I can now use the app's automatic response to this comment to show the context menu actions that the AHAU 260 app supports. If I would like, for example, to use any message to send its information to an activity as a message, or create a task in a service provider with it, I can click the three dots of the message's contacts actions and select either Create a task or Send a message. Demonstrating the Send a message functionality, now I just need to search both the project and the task I would like to link it to and click Post. Besides these functionalities, our app also has a bot. If the user would prefer to use a chatbot, similar to a console, the bot can also help finding the project or task needed and send it to the chat. In the video, the functionality used is Find Tasks, which will provide you a list of tasks and ask if you'd like to see more. After you select the task you want, you will be able to post time logs, comment or send messages to the tasks, or open them in a browser tab. These tasks and their links will also be synced with the other integrations of the AHAU 260 app, such as Outlook. Here, if I open the Outlook add-in in the email that I linked to the task we are showing, you will find through the emails the linked tasks, bookmarks, contacts that can be either email senders or people assigned to the linked tasks, and also Microsoft Teams channels and documents. All these links can be accessed through any of our add-ins. All it's needed is to click them. Taking this Word document as an example, I can open it in the Word app for Microsoft 365 and have also access to the linked pane of the AHAU 260 app. Now, I can check, as I said before, all the tasks, contacts, emails, and bookmarks that this Word document is linked to. This way, all the links can be accessed through all the integrations that the app supports. Our app also works with Microsoft Edge. If I open the add-in in the browser while being in a Tasks tab, I will be able to see all the links that this Tasks tab has and access them with one click. Also, by opening the add-in in different browser tabs corresponding to different tasks, I can access the different links each one of them has and open them if I'd like. By integrating everything in a single environment, our AHAU 260 app can make your productivity increase and make you save time from switching tabs.